Introduce highlight features or overview summary of origimagic N1 Lite Ryzen 7 5700U Mini PC. There are features include: the upgraded N1 Lite Mini PC is built for those who demand strong performance in a compact design, whether for office productivity, home use, gaming, or server applications. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, this mini powerhouse offers 8 cores and 16 threads with a maximum boost clock speed of up to 4.3 GHz and 8 megabit cache. With a 15-watt TDP, it provides exceptional efficiency while delivering a 40% performance boost over previous Ryzen processors like the Ryzen 5 7430U, Ryzen 7 5600U, 5560U, and 5500U. This makes it ideal for users who want both power and energy efficiency in a small form factor. To match its CPU performance, the N1 Lite Mini PC comes pre-installed with 32GB DDR4 dual-channel memory, 2x16GB, expandable to 64GB, and a high-speed 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0x4 SSD, ensuring fast boot times and smooth application performance. For those who need additional storage, it also supports expansion with an M.2 2242 SATA SSD of up to 512GB. Networking is another strong point of this device. Equipped with a 2.5 GB Ethernet port, it provides ultra-fast and stable wired connections suitable for networking setups like Untangle, pfSense, and small servers. On the wireless side, the Intel AX210 Wi-Fi 6E module and Bluetooth 5.2 deliver next-generation connectivity with greater stability, lower latency, and higher throughput than previous standards. Cooling is handled with a low-noise fan and efficient thermal system, keeping the unit stable and quiet even under heavy workloads. This ensures consistent performance without overheating or excessive noise. For visuals, the integrated Radeon graphics with a maximum frequency of 1900 MHz supports quad 4K displays via dual HDMI 2.0 ports and dual USB-C ports, all capable of 4K at 60 Hz. This feature is excellent for multitasking, gaming, video editing, or simply enjoying an immersive multimedia setup. Compact yet powerful, the N1 Lite Mini PC is an all-in-one solution that balances performance, connectivity, expandability, and cooling in a small, quiet package. It's perfect for professionals, gamers, and anyone who wants a high-performance computer without the bulk of a traditional desktop. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.